Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Huawei Band 7. First, make sure your band has at least 20% battery charge to avoid interruptions. Next, download the official Huawei Health app from your smartphone's App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your phone or tablet, as this is essential for the connection process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing experience. Now that your initial setup is complete, open the Huawei Health app on your device. Navigate to the Devices section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on Add Device and then select Smart Bands from the category list. You should then see Huawei Band 7 appear as an option. Tap on it to begin the connection. This guides the app to search for your specific band model. Once you've selected your band, a pairing request will appear on both your smartphone and the Huawei Band 7 itself. You'll need to confirm this request on both devices to establish the connection. After confirmation, the app will ask for various permissions, such as access to notifications, location data, and other essential functions. Granting these permissions ensures your band can fully integrate with your phone and provide all its features. If you encounter any issues during the pairing process, don't worry. A common solution is to simply restart both your smartphone and your Huawei Band 7, then try again. Also, ensure that your Huawei Health app is updated to its very latest version, as older versions might have compatibility problems. Finally, keep your band and phone very close, ideally within 1 meter, to maintain a strong Bluetooth signal during pairing. These steps often resolve most connection difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.